With the participation of a number of Gauls and archaeologists of the Supreme Council of Antiquities, a training program for training on excavation work leads to reveal a cemetery from the Ptolemaic era. Dr. Mostafa, the Secretary General of the Supreme Council of Antiquities, indicated that 16 antiquities inspectors and a restoration specialist from various sectors of the Supreme Council of Antiquities participated in the training program as part of the ministry's plan to train the largest possible number of archaeologists and restorers and develop their practical and scientific capabilities, adding that during practical training on the site he succeeded participants in the program to reveal a cemetery dating back to the Ptolemaic era. For his part, Professor Mohammed Abdul Beatty, head of the Central Administration for the Antiquities of the High Egypt, said that the discovered cemetery is carved in the archaeological hill and is accessed by a descending ladder presented by a courtyard, which may have been praised of mud bricks due to the presence of the remains of a brick wall on the top of the ladder on the right of the interior to the cemetery. He added that the cemetery consists of 2 rooms, the first with an area of 2.70 meters, 2.65 meters, with a height of 1.70 meters, and part of its roof has been lost, and on its walls there is a layer of mortar of clay free of graphics, inscriptions and writings, and 2 coffins of limestone, and part of the cover have been revealed within it the coffin. All of them are free of inscriptions, writings, and eastern wall of the first room, in the middle of the entrance topped by the cornice, lead to the second room, which the southern part of its entrance from the inside contains the crown of the south and the northern part of the interior. Soot may be due to the use of the cemetery as a residence in the Coptic period. He pointed out that it is scheduled to take place during the coming period, cleaning and restoration work for the ceiling to study these scenes and writings to know the owner of this cemetery, which may have been one of the senior employees in the Ptolemaic era, which is indicated by the important cemetery site, as well as the presence of the southern crown, the north crown, the remains of the scenes and the hieroglyphic writings in the cemetery, and the remains of pottery and mummified animals.